Welcome once more, great people of Biafra. So the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra in the person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in court today, and then something happened. Remember, prior to this court's hearing, the Prime Minister Ekpa Simon Njoku made a post advising the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not to allow himself to stand trial, that their plan is to convict him without no evidence. He should not allow himself to stand trial in that court unless they, follow the proceedings that the Supreme Court has, laid out prior to this time. And so, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu presented himself to court today and rejected being tried in any court in Nigeria, stating the facts clear. I want you to listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as he speaks.
This place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom. Yes. When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself.
They remove it.
I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me.
They removed that London.
Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah. Based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the
broadcast. Contrary to section 196?
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2020.
In violation of their own laws. In violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these managers are going on? It's not possible.
Shambo trial. It's a persecution against the Igbo.
No, let them give them a fresh one, not the ones.
No. We have many of that.
The last one that first, the one that one of the senior judges at this court.
And I have respect and love for her. She knows.
What if this case comes back to her? Because
it is not possible. It's not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. Very well. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing.
Yes.
It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes.
The rules change when it comes to
So I was actually surprised that a high court have refused to obey or abide by the determination of a Supreme Court judgment.
And then take the only part that is against him and then refuse to apply the part that is in favor of him.
This cherry picking of what was contained in the Supreme Court judgment is what I'm against.
Yes, that's correct.
It should be implemented holistically.
Yes.
I'm not against facing any trial. After I'm innocent, so they have nothing against me. But there cannot be any trial when key sections of the Constitution and a key Supreme Court judgment has been violated by a court of law.
Are you concerned that this means for the case to go back and come back to the court?
This is my 4th year in solitary confinement in detention. The 5th year will not kill me.
Sorry, what if the case is also reassigned back to her? Will you still go on?
It's not going to happen.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you very much.
These are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you.
Bring that envelope. Bring the envelope.
Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it.
I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more.
Give her the Supreme Court judgment.
Can you hold this for me?
She can.
I want to let the whole world understand something. Very, very clear. In all this is the judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable. And is here. Please do bear with me. It says it here. What is the page? What is that again? Where it says
page 18.
all these things are online. Is it not page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the virtuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges.
Yes.
They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see,
To discuss his
I had a
defense.
discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself.
They remove it.
I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me.
They remove that lump.
Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they remove lump.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196,
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
in violation of their own laws. In violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
Because
Now you've just listened to Nnamdi Kanu and how he defended himself and made a public speech. Something kept on striking my mind. I kept on asking. People who always say they have gone to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they have discussed with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said this and that about Simon Ekpa. What is stopping him from saying it each time he comes out in the public? Have you not asked yourself that question? Have you not sat down to think and regurgitate what these people have said in the past and try to analyze what they have said to really understand if these people are truly telling us the truth or not? Especially the one that calls herself the supposed wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Has she really gone to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Did she really see him? Did she really speak with him? Did he really say all those things that she claimed? Of course, we know it's all lies. But these outings will tell you the truth about the real situation on ground. One would expect that a woman who claims to be the husband, the wife of a man, and knows fully well that his court case is coming up pretty soon, she visited him 1 week, even less than 1 week before his court appearance. What is stopping her? What stops her from waiting for just few days and actually, witnessing his court appearance? At least let the whole world know that her and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still together. Let them see her there and see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there and see how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to hug and welcome her as the wife, since she claims to be the wife. But then each time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case is coming up, she say she went to visit him a week before and she will run back to England. Why is it that she cannot present herself in court to witness the court proceedings? Why? Have you ever asked yourself that question? When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out, the exposition that he's going to do, many people who are standing with US are going to run. Your legs will be striking on your head as you are running. Let us continue to watch these people as they continue to betray the people of Biafra. Biafra first.